Hey champs, are you up for a few puzzles? Here comes the first one. So what has keys but can't open any lock? The answer is a piano. These are the black and white keys of a piano, but as we know, they can't open a lock. The next puzzle is, the more you take, the more you leave behind. So what is it? The answer is footsteps. You take the footsteps and you leave them behind. The next puzzle is, what comes once in a minute, twice in a moment, but never in 1,000 years? Okay, that was a little tricky one. The answer is alphabet M. Alphabet M comes once in a minute, twice when we spell moment, but when we spell 1,000 years, there is no alphabet M there. The next puzzle is, what is so delicate that just by saying its name, you break it? The answer is silence. The moment you say the word, you break the silence. The next puzzle is, what has a face, has 2 hands, but no arms and legs? The answer is a clock. So here it is. This is the face of the clock. This is its hour hand. This is the minute hand. It even has a seconds hand, but there are no arms and legs to it. For more such amazing lessons, like and subscribe to Kaizen Micro Lessons.